Right, so we've got a GFB T9354, which is for the Focus ST and my Focus, as it's one of the early ones. It doesn't have the electric valve. So mine just has a pneumatic valve, just like you would normally find on most turbo cars. So first thing is, I'm just going to show you how you assemble it. I've had a look at the instructions and they're pretty simple, so I just thought I'd document it as well. So you've got the main valve body there. The first thing is pop the actual this cap in here. I got this used, so I'm not sure quite if it comes with a screw etc in it, but you need to make sure it's all clear like that. Pop the that little cap in, put the spring in, and then get the piston, making sure it's nice and clean, and slotted in. So obviously it's like that, making sure it's free of any muck or anything like that. Once you've done that, the next step is to get this, which is the installation tool. Press it against the spring and insert this like that. Now it'll only go so far, and then it'll stop. There we go, it has stopped. So once you've done that, that's ready to be installed. I wouldn't put the brass piece in or anything like that just yet. This screw goes where that goes, but that's intended to make it easy to install, so you're not fighting the spring tension when you do it. So yeah, once you've got this ready, I think it's ready to go and put it on the car. So you can gain access to the diverter valve through the driver's side wheel latch. There it is. There's three 5mm Allen head bolts that need to be removed, and then it should pop out. Just need to remove that vacuum hose from it as well. So with the old valve out, you'll have a big hole you can pressurize in. Just before you install the new valve, just make sure that it's all clean. Mine looks pretty clean, so I'm not really going to do anything with that, but yeah, get that out, get that nice and clean, otherwise it probably won't seal very well. So I'll put the new valve in place. Don't forget to put the solenoid bracket on it over the top. So once you've got the new one in place, just tighten the 3 bolts. Don't go nuts with them, like I say, it's only aluminium, and you really don't want to strip any of these. So once you've done that, you just need to remove the installation tool, and then we need to put the screw in and the brass fitting. So you can install this using a 4mm Allen key. It says specifically in the instructions not to over tighten this because it will strip the brass threads, so I'm only going to nip this up. So once you've got the brass fitting installed, you just need to put in back the screw in the middle and then put the vacuum hose on. That's it, the installation is done.